Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, in last lecture we have learned that how can we multiply two numbers by using tower method. I hope you all have understand that question very well. Now students, we are going to solve our next question, which is on topic calculating with decimal numbers and subtopic exercise 9.2, which is on page number 149 from your learner book. Now students, look at the question number 4. Three of the faces of the box below are labeled A, B and C. This is our A face, this is our B face and this is our C face. What is the area of each of the face A, B and C? Now we have to find out the area of face B and area of face C. There are three faces given. This To find out the area of these faces, we have to know about the formula of area. The formula of area is equal to length multiplied by width. We all know that. Look at this point. This is the main point. You can call this point to the origin. This is the length. This is the width. For if you want to solve the area for face A, this is the length for face A and this is the width for face A. For B, this is the length of the face B and this is the width for face B. For C, this is the length of the face C and this is the width for the face C. Now student, let's solve this question. Now student, look at the formula for the solving the area. Area is equal to length multiplied by width. Area for face A. We are going to solve area for face A. The formula of area is length multiplied by width. We know that for face A, our length is 5.4 centimeter and our width is 3.8 centimeter. When we multiply centimeter with centimeter, we got centimeter square. Now we know that there is only one point after decimal, so we can divide this number by 10. Same, there is only one number after decimal, so we can divide this number by 10. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. When we multiply 10 by 10, we got 100, and when we multiply 54 by 38, 8 fours are 32. Write 2 here and 3 will be the carry. 8 fives are 40, 40 and 3 43. Now write 0 here. You can write sign of multiply, or you can write 0. Whatever you want, you can write it. You can write it here. 3 fours are 12, write 2 here and 1 will be the carry. 3 fives are 15 and 1 16. Now find sum of these numbers. 2 3 to 5 4 6 10, write 0 here and 1 will be the carry. 1 and 1 2. So our answer is 20 52 divided by 100. We all now know that when there are 2 0 in the denominator, you can move decimal after two numbers. So our answer will be 20.52 centimeters square. Now students, we are going to solve area for face B. We all know that the formula of area is length multiplied by width. No, we know that a length for face B is 5.4 centimeter and width for face B is 1.6 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter, which is equal to centimeter square, and there is only one digit after decimal point, so we are going to dividing both these numbers by 10. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. When we divide and multiply 10 by 10, we got 100, and when we multiply 54 by 16, 6 fours are 24, write 4 here and 2 will be the carry. 6 fives are 30, 30 and 2 32. 1 fours are 4 and 1 fives are 5, write 0, multiply here. 4 4 2 6 5 3 8. So our answer is 864 divided by 100 centimeter square. We all know that there is 2 0 in denominator, so we can move two digit, we can move decimal two digits. So our answer will be 8.64 centimeters square. Now we are going to solve area for face C, as we know that area is equal to length multiplied by width. There is length of face C is 3.8 centimeter and width for face C is 1.6 centimeter. When we multiply centimeter by centimeter, which is equal to centimeter square. We all know that there is only one digit after decimal point, so we can divide both of these numbers by 10. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. When we multiply 10 by 10, we got 100, and multiply 38 by 16. 6 8s are 48. Write 8 here and 4 will be the carry. 6 3s are 18 and 4 22. Write 0 here. 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3. Now find sum of these numbers. 8 to 10. Write 0 here. 1 will be the carry. 3 to 5 and 1 6. 608 dividing by 10 centimeters square. As usual, there are two zero in denominator. We are dividing this number by 100, so we can move to our decimal by two numbers. So our final answer will be 6.08 centimeter square. I hope you all have understand this question very well, and you all will be able to find the area of any surface. No students, you uh, now students, do homework of this question number 7 from your learner book on your notebook, and click a picture and send it to your teacher. Thank you, students.